Did you know that cooking together isn't just about food, but also about family tradition? My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 6 degrees in my field and all in the natural healthcare space. And so we're going to talk about it, especially with families with little kiddos. Being around the kitchen and learning about cooking and learning about food is equally as much as a bonding experience and a learning experience as it is just a tradition. So, especially this month where we have, in America, there is different holidays that happen this month. And so it's a great time to share and give, but also really educate your family system on what's it like to eat healthy and how to eat healthy and what to eat healthy and all the things healthy. And so I definitely encourage a lot of healthy conversation around the table this month so that everyone really gets an opportunity to not only learn about what it means to eat healthy, but be a part of that experience. And so definitely like, share, subscribe for more. All this month, we have all of our meal plans, including our 25-day holiday healthy meal plan that is on sale for the holiday season. So if you're interested in getting more about recipes and different balanced nutrition, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Check out my daily lives at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I teach you how to live a holistic lifestyle.